Hello viewers, we all know that Flipkart Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival will come on 22nd of September 2025. Many people are excited to buy many tablets at discounted price. For a couple of years, I have been making videos on tablets and people are asking me various questions and I am trying my level best to answer those questions. In this video also, I will answer some of the questions that people have asked me. The first question is that what will be the best tablet, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP Plus or Samsung Galaxy S9 AP Plus? Both the tablets offer very good display, battery backup is also very good. On Tab S9 AP Plus, you will get Exynos 1380 processor. On the other hand, on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP Plus, you will get Exynos 1580 processor. But the differentiating factor is that on Tab S10 AP Plus, you will get Samsung AI, which will be very useful in future. But in Tab S9 AP Plus, you will not get any AI features, so you have to rely on Perplexity, Google Gemini or any other AI tools. So if you don't need any AI features on Tab S10 AP Plus, you can definitely buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. Next question is that I want to buy Xiaomi Pad 7, which is the best site, Amazon or Flipkart? There is no denying the fact that both Amazon and Flipkart are the leading players in terms of delivering products. It depends on your luck sometimes. Actually, the sellers on Amazon and Flipkart sometimes send bad products to customers. So ultimately the name of Amazon and Flipkart get tainted. At the time of buying from Flipkart, you will have open box delivery. In that case, you can check the product, and if you find any problem with the product, you can refuse the delivery and not share the OTP. On the other hand, in Amazon.in, you will get the product and you can open the box at your disposal. While buying anything from Amazon, make sure you are opening the box under videography. Otherwise, you may have problem in future. So the answer of this question is that both Amazon and Flipkart are good, but you have to watch the seller. Another user asked me, please suggest if iPadOS 26 is safe for iPad 11th generation or not. Is there any display problem like screen flickering or green line issue or any other battery drainage issue? I have been using iPadOS 26 on my iPad 10th generation and I am having no problem, only there are some battery drainage issue which is negligible. It is performing as usual. Plus many features have been added and there is no screen flickering issue or there is no display issue. I think the battery drainage issue which I am facing will be solved in the next update. So yeah, you can definitely install iPadOS 26 on your iPad 11th generation. Another user want to know, will there be price drop on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Tab? The answer is yes, there will be price drop on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. But you have to wait few days to know the best price of this tablet. I will definitely tell you through my video about the best price of S9 Plus. Another user wants to know about iPad Air M1. I think M1 is not a very good iPad in 2025 as iPad Air M2 and M3 will be available. So you should definitely go for M2 or M3. M3 may be available at a price point of 42 to 43,000 rupees, whereas M2 can be bought at a price point of 37 to 38,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival. Another user wants to know the price of iPad 10th generation or iPad 10th generation will be available or not in Big Billion Days sale. Actually, there are no advertisement about iPad 10th generation, but I think there will be discounts on this tablet. If you get discounts about 20,000 rupees price point, you can definitely buy iPad 10th generation 64GB version. Another user wants to know about the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Wi-Fi variant. I think this time you will get this tablet at around 10,000 rupees and that will be a very good buy. This tablet is portable and has very good display, also battery backup is good and the stereo speakers are good enough. Many people actually want to know the price of Oneplus Pad Lite. Actually, this is a very good tablet, but I don't like the display of this tablet. However, the battery backup of this tablet is very good. In this little form factor tablet, you will get 9430 mAh battery, which is massive for this tablet. One of the users wants to know the price of iPad 11th generation 256GB variant. 256GB variant can be bought at a price point of 35,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. However, in this price point, you can also buy iPad Air M1 or even M2 by spending 3,000 more. Many people are actually curious about the price point of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. If you want to buy the 128GB variant, in that case the best price for this tablet will be around 27 to 28,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 33 to 34,000 rupees maximum. So these are some of the questions. Actually, if you are planning to buy any tablet or any product during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival, you have to be ready at midnight of 21st of September and purchase the tablet or any other product of your choice, because price will definitely increase hours after hours, and whenever you will wake up in the morning, you will see that you are seeing the higher price tag. So also one more suggestion is that don't make any purchase without any credit card, because if you do so, you will have lots of loss, because credit card offers best discounts on any other tablets or any other smartphones. If you don't have any credit card, you can manage from your friends or family members, or even some sellers of local shop. They offer credit cards and they take money from you. Suppose you are getting 2000 rupees discount and they will charge you 500 rupees. So at the end you will have 1.5k discount. So these are few things that you should keep in mind while purchasing any product. Hope this video has become informative to you. A lot of people actually watch my videos, but they don't like the video and they don't hype the video. So you are earnestly requested to do so. In my next video, I will talk about the price point of some of the tablets that I haven't covered in my videos. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.